Hello everyone, welcome back. As you can tell from this and from the title of the video, today I am going to be unboxing Pokemon Legends Arceus. I'm really excited to play this. I was debating on getting this or Brilliant Diamond, and I chose this just because I think it'll go the farthest, and it's less formulaic than, regular Pokemon games. So I really like this front cover. I think it looks really cool. And here on the back, it says action meets RPG in a new kind of Pokemon adventure. Research Pokemon for the Hisui region's first Pokédex. Answer the call of Arceus, said to be the creator of this world. Catch Pokemon using your battle skills or stealth and wits. And there's different shots of gameplay and yeah. That's what the spine looks like. Standard Switch case spine. But yeah, let's get right into opening it. Now, I know it's been a long time since I've done any sort of video. It's been a couple months. That's just because there, wasn't really anything that I wanted to make a video on or about, and B, Christmas Day I got sick, and I just got better a few weeks ago. I had a certain virus that's going around. But anyways, here is the inside cover. And I think that looks really, really cool. I really like that. And here is the game card. So that's that. And I want to thank you guys for coming back and watching this video. And I will see you guys next time. Stay nerdy. See ya.